All right, so I'm just trying to analyze you. This is not for the public, but I'm gonna send it to my group anyway. So, all right, let's start from the weekly. Now we have a clear accumulation here, right? Which I talked about some weeks ago. We have a clear accumulation here. So what happens is looking at structure from here, we're bearish. Okay, looking at structure, we're bearish on the 1 week. Now, if you look at this, we have some sort of accumulation forming, right? But it's not an accumulation yet until we have price break this high and then give us a retest and go up. So we have to bear in mind that this being an accumulation schematic, price is obviously going up, either to res- respect some supply here and come all the way down, or respect this whole accumulation schematic and then go up, right? So now, let's say price is bearish. Price took this low with a wick, obviously, on the 1 hour. Now, I expect price to give me a reaction on the 62, just a small reaction, but eventually go up to 88 before coming down if it wants to come down, right? So now I have two different ideas, which all tells me that price is going up from this area. Okay, so we are bullish on the weekly. Now come to the daily, we see a clear accumulation here, which I've marked. Right, this is an accumulation, same thing that we are expecting on the weekly. Right, price. That's this. We have protected highs. Price is manipulating the lows, sweeps all the lows here, breaks the protected high, right? And then should give us a pullback and then go up. So I'm still bullish on daily, right? But now, what happens with this schematic is that let me go. When price gives you something like this, it breaks here. Normally, it would either give you a reaction here and go up, or come all the way down depending on how it broke this level. Retrace to maybe 62 or 88 before going all the way up, right? So we need to be wary of our zones, right? Now, on the other hand, price has taken this liquidity, which I already matched before. It has taken this high, right? Now, if we do go on the 4 hour, or even still on a daily, this was the last low that this is the demand zone that facilitated the break of this high. Okay. Now, for price to be bearish, we need that demand zone to be broken, to be invalidated, which it has. Okay. Now, that liquidity has been taken. So, for me, this is a change of character, right? So, in as much as we're expecting price to come down and then go up, not knowing whether price will react on this level or this demand here, we should expect some rally to the top side, to the upside, to fill this gap, take out this liquidity, right? And then come all the way down. So we're expecting price to give us something like this, right? And then back up. Or we have, so this imbalance here is not something, okay, so I'm pretty much sure price is coming all the way down here, because we have our imbalance here. This stretch didn't break any structure here, but this one did break this. So we have our imbalance here. Price would probably come all the way down here, take this low, come all the way down here. It will not be able to take this high, because if it takes this high, it would have to go up. Right, so price would probably come down, go up, or whatever it is, come down. Take this, come down here before going up. Right, but before price does this, price could possibly go up to respect this zone before coming down. So this is what I'm looking at on the day, right? Now let's go down to the 4 hours. Reason why I'm convinced that price is coming down is because it's taking this low, this demand zone that spawns at this break of this high. If price didn't break this low and then respected this demand zone, then price will continue to go up, right? But since price has broken this, we're bearish for the time being. It's a counter trend because on the high time frame we're bullish, right? So we have this, we have probably expecting price to somewhere here. We'll probably just take this one and we'll go into that later. So okay, I just went down to the 1 hour to check what price did here. Price broke with the body. So now I'm looking at a reaction in and around this area. I'm looking for a reaction in and around this area, right? So I'm gonna set my line here. Okay, so yeah, let's see what we have here. Just refining my zones. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Right. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm expecting price, since price is taking this long, expecting price to go all the way up. Tap into some area here, take all this liquidity, tap into some area here, and then I set my alert for when price taps here. But I'm gonna look to go up high into this area before selling down. Right? Selling down into this breaker here. I'm gonna do delete that. Keep the chat clean. Right. I think from previous analysis, I marked this area as liquidity, so I'm expecting price to definitely take this liquidity. So if price should come here during the week, I'll be looking to find my 1 minute entry somewhere here and then sell all the way to take this low. Right. So now we'll have to wait to see what price will do for us. Over the course of the week to know what we're doing. Okay, so that's my bias for GU for this week. I'm gonna try and look for somewhere to buy into this area if possible. So I'm gonna leave it here. It's just an outlook on what to look out for.